In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a HubSpot error 404 that's coming from a marketing email link. If you've sent out an email and your subscribers are clicking a button or hyperlink that leads to a 404 page not found error, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and the good news is it's usually very quick to fix. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can correct the broken link, test it properly, and make sure your audience lands on the right page. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing, then select Email. This will take you to your email marketing dashboard where you can see all of your drafted, scheduled, and previously sent emails. Now, find the email that contains the broken link. If it was recently sent, it should appear near the top of the list. Click on the name of that email to open it in the editor. Once the email loads, you'll be able to preview all of the content, including buttons, images, and text links. Next, locate the specific CTA button, hyperlink, or clickable image that's causing the 404 error. Click directly on that element inside the email editor. When you do this, you'll see the editing options appear in the sidebar on the left or right, depending on your layout. In the sidebar, look for the URL field. This is where the destination link is set. Carefully review the existing link and check for common issues. For example, the page might have been deleted, the URL might have been typed incorrectly, there could be a missing HTTPS at the beginning, or the slug at the end of the URL may have changed. Replace the incorrect link with the correct URL that you want users to visit. Before moving forward, double-check the full link to make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Even a small typo can cause a 404 error, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds here. Once you've updated the URL, click Save to apply the changes to your email. But don't stop there. It's very important to test the link before you republish or resend anything. At the top of the email editor, click on Test, then choose Send Test Email. Send the test to yourself or a colleague. Open the test email in your inbox and click the updated link. Make sure it loads the correct page without any errors. If the page opens properly, that means your fix worked. If the link is now working as expected, go back into HubSpot. From here, your next step depends on the status of the email. If the email is still a draft, simply click Update or Publish to finalize your changes. If the email has already been sent, keep in mind that you cannot change the link inside emails that are already delivered to inboxes. However, fixing it now ensures that any future automated sends, workflows, or reused templates will contain the correct link. If this email is part of an automated workflow, make sure to review the workflow settings as well to confirm that the updated version is the one being used. This prevents the 404 error from continuing in future sends. And that's it. That's how you fix a HubSpot error 404 caused by a broken link inside a marketing email. As you can see, the solution is usually just correcting the URL, saving the changes, and properly testing before publishing again. Taking a few moments to test your emails can save you from lost clicks, missed conversions, and frustrated subscribers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.